I think really the difference between the West Clinic and other healthcare institutions is the incorporation of multiple modalities. Like, I don't think that there's any one recipe or pathway to health. And I think it was Confucius that said, there's one mountain in many paths. So whichever path can help you achieve and maintain optimal health, whether that's manual therapy or neural therapy, which is how we do the reset of the body, where we do vitamin infusion treatments and acupuncture and physiologic therapeutics and mind-body healing. And there's a lot of clinics that offer those, but there is really only one clinic that puts all of them together. The other thing that I think really sets us apart is that during our workup, I'll really go through all of the questions of, what's wrong with you? What is the diagnosis? Do you agree with the diagnosis? And then we go through and we cover all the treatments that you've tried or you've attempted to see what we can bring that's different. And the reason why that's so important for us is the definition of sanity is to do the same thing over and over again and expect a different result. So if you've tried different medications or nutritional supplements and it hasn't got the outcome that you're looking for, that's where we really excel, is being able to bring new things to the table in a multidisciplinary and multi-treatment approach so that we can bring the energy and the biomechanics and the biochemistry and the medical nutritional therapy and the hormone balancing and the energy healing and the detoxification and the customized medical nutritional therapy all into one program for you. And that's what really makes us different.